Ever noticed how professional emails always end with a clean, personalized signature? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily create your own Gmail signature step by step so your emails look polished and professional every time. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail and log into your account. In the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Click it, then select See All Settings. Now on the settings page, scroll down until you find the signature section. This is where you can create and manage all your email signatures. Click Create New. A small window will pop up asking you to name your signature. Give it a simple name, something like Work or Personal, then hit Create. Next, you'll see a large text box where you can type out your signature. Add whatever you'd like, your name, job title, contact details, or even a short tagline. You can also adjust the font, add links, or include your company logo by clicking the insert image icon. Take a few moments to make it look clean and consistent. Once you're happy with it, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. That's it. Your new signature will automatically appear at the end of every email you send. If you ever want to update it later, maybe to change your title, add a new logo, or create a different version for another account, just follow these same steps. And there you go, a quick, easy way to give every email you send that professional touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.